Good afternoon, class 6th. Myself, Surendra Singh. I am going to start your GK syllabus, and today we are going to discuss about the first chapter, the world around us. In that, we will be studying about insects. We know that there are around 6 to 10 million species of insects living in the world, and they are of different kinds, different size. Their way of walking, their way of eating is totally different from one another. So today I'll be telling you about some insect. Like number one, if you see this insect, if you see it is having many legs and segmented body. It uses poison to paralyze its prey. So this is a picture of a centipede. Second picture which is there is about it is a best recycler in nature. It dies quickly if exposed to strong sunlight. We find them all around wherever decomposition or somewhere in sewage pipe or somewhere in soil or in garden. You will find this insect over there, and it is the name of this insect is earthworm. It helps in eating vegetables and soft things in the soil and convert them and provide good manure. The next one which is there, most of these are carnivorous. Their abdomen is attached to the body by a narrow stalk. It's a yellow in color and we are very afraid of it. Which one is this? Wasp, yes. Tataiya, जब काट लेती है, swelling and itching starts from there. Our next insect which is coming, it hides during the day and feeds at night. It feeds on small insects and plant material, and name is earwig. Next insect, segmented body, has several legs. It curls up when threatened. And millipede, what we call them, millipede. You will see them around in the rainy season. And in the school ground also you might have seen them moving. Now coming to this one, it sucks sap from the plants and secrete honeydew, which some ants enjoy. What's the name? Aphid. Then we are having another one. It is found both on land and in water. Its upper two feelers are sensitive to light and lower one to smell. They are slugs. You will again find these insects are available everywhere during the rainy season. Then it is found near water bodies because its larvae are aquatic. It is useful in controlling insect population, and they are very good flyers. So we call them dragonfly. Okay, children, learn this whole about insects. This is all about insects. Now after this we are having chapter number 2nd. This chapter is basically about sea animals. This is page number 8. There are many sea on the earth. Thousands of species of animals live in them. They are called sea animals. Scientists believe that there are thousands of sea animals that are yet to be discovered, because in deep sea still man has not gone there. Some of the interesting sea animals are there and their names descriptions are there, and we have to write the names and we have to choose the name given over here: sea anemone, lungfish, piranha. Then we got mandarin fish, sea urchins, dugong. These type of they are there. But let's see the first one. You see first one clearly. What has been written? It is a colorful fish which lives on the reef of the sea. It has a beautiful patterned body, making it the most beautiful of all the fishes living in the sea. So we call them mandarin fish. The second one, it is a large mammal found in the warm waters surrounding Indonesia and Australia. Its tail is formed like a tail of a shark. It is strictly herbivorous. So it is dugong. The third one is, It is commonly found along rocky ocean floors in both shallow and deep water. It is an omnivorous and mainly feeds on algae. It is sea urchin. Then we are having it. It is a sting polyp that spends most of the time attached to the rocks on the bottom of the sea or the coral reefs, waiting for the fish to pass close enough to get captured. In its venom and tentacles are there. We call it sea anemones. The tentacles are very dangerous. They curl around the fishes or their prey. The fifth one is that it is one of the deadliest animal with long triangular sharp teeth. What triangular shaped sharp teeth. It is carnivorous, found in silver, orange, and black colors. It is about the size of an adult human being hand. One deadliest triangular. So what we call them? They are known as piranha fish. Then we are having another one. It is found in South America, Africa, and Australia. Its teeth on snail. It feeds on snails and plants. It stores fat for sustenance during the hibernation. So we call them lungfish. What do we call them? Lungfish. So this is about first two chapters. Please go for them and study them.